All right, now let's see how function works in JavaScript. Okay, function is just more like a reusable code. Okay, it's a block of code that you can reuse often and on depending on what you want to do with it. Okay, so how can you go about this function in JavaScript? So what I want you to do is to go ahead and you have to first of all type in the function keyword here, and then followed by the name of your function. Okay, let's say you wanna get a function that adds two numbers. Okay, that adds two numbers. How am I gonna do it? I'm just gonna call it maybe I'm just gonna say add numbers. Okay, more like add numbers. Okay, and I'm gonna say like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna have it this way. Okay, and I'm gonna say console.log. Okay, console.log. Remember, I wanna add two numbers. Okay, this is a function that's going to add two numbers. So I'm gonna pass in those numbers that I wanna add, like yeah, as a variable. In my own case, I'm just gonna say A and B. Okay, I'm just gonna pass it this way. Okay, so I will just come here and say console.log A, comma B, and I can save this file. Now, how can we now run this function? So for me to run this function, I will go ahead and call the name of the function like this, followed by parentheses. And then as you can see, it's telling me that this function has value of A and B. So it's now left for me to add in the values that I want. Now let me assume the first number, which is A, is gonna be 10, and then the second number is gonna be 66, and I can save this. What this will do right now is it will assume A, okay, to be 10. That's the first value in my parentheses. Okay, now and B to be what? 66. And when I run this function as it is like this, it's gonna do A plus B, which basically what? 10 plus 66, going to give us what? 76. Okay, so let's just try to run this function and see what it gets. As you can see now, I'm gonna have 76 here, which is what I have here. Okay, because of what? We have written a function that does this. Okay, now if I want to like add another number, I can just simply copy this as it is, and then of course I can go ahead and paste it I can copy it, sorry, and I can paste it several times as I want. Okay, I can see maybe the score is gonna be 166, this one is gonna be 606 and this. Okay, just changing value. Okay, now look at it. Now I have not gone ahead to write my programs over and over again. Okay, I am only making use of one function, but I am reusing it to do some mathematical operations. Okay, now what is going to happen here is that these four functions that I have here now, okay, is making use of this one function. All right, these four expressions is making use of one function, and they are going to return for me their individual answers. Okay, instead of me having to rewrite the function over and over again depending on the number of times that I need it. Okay, so that's basically how it was. If I go ahead and save this right now, I'm gonna have 76 rather, 166, and then 616 with 143. Okay, so that's basically how functions works. Okay, and one of these you can do, you can do many things with functions. All right, now let me say in the sense that you want to get a what's it called, the area of a triangle, and we know that the area of a triangle is basically half base times height. Okay, so how can we even go about that? I'll just say half base times height. I'll just come here and say base, because base is going to be my variable. Okay, that's the variable in our own case that changes, and we know that it's actually the half that is constant. Okay, so my base and height are actually gonna vary. Okay, so what am I gonna console.log now? I'm just gonna say console.log half base times height, which is basically 0.5. okay 0.5 multiplied by your base, okay, multiplied by your height. Okay, this is basically how it works. Okay, so if you say, let me try to get the area of a triangle. Okay, I'll first of all rename this. Okay, you can just rename it if you want. I'll just say area of a triangle. Okay, this way, let me do it this way. Area of a triangle. Okay, I'm just gonna have, sorry, can just name it anything you want. Area of a triangle. I'm just gonna have it this way. and I'm gonna say what is my base, my base and my height. Let me just say my base and my height is basically 3 and 5. Okay, and I'll go ahead and save this file. If I run this file, it's gonna return for me 1/2 multiplied by base multiplied by height. 1/2 is basically 0.5. Okay, and this function is basically just gonna return me 7.5, which is actually the area of a triangle in this case. Okay, so you can use functions to do many things. Okay, and I will challenge you to go ahead and try out some mathematical operations you can do with functions. Okay, I have done area of a triangle. You can go ahead and try out area of a cycle, area of a parallelogram, and all the rest of it. Okay, and you will see that you're actually writing what your calculator can do for you. Okay, so that's it for function here. We see and we advance more and more in the subsequent videos. Thank you.